Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Affiliate Marketing Domination Review. Launch your way to Affiliate Marketing Dominance. Unleash the power of comedy to skyrocket your sales. Discover the secret weapon of affiliate marketing success. Unleash the magic of launcher. Connect the audience and achieve unprecedented earning. Why I should buy this? Hillary was insider strategic, uncover unconventional and launch-inducing techniques that will make your affiliate marketing campaigns stand out from the crowd. Say goodbye to boring marketing methods and embrace the power of human to captivate your audience. Step-by-step guidance. Unlock the comedy code. Profit boosting tactics. Niche selections made fun. Market research unveiled. The comedy adventures. Tracking and optimizing magic. Real life examples and case studies. The final capture. Table of content. Chapter 1. Unrevealing the mysterious world on affiliate marketing with a twist. Step 2. The query quest for niche selections and market research. Step 3. Unleashing your inner digital divo. Building your online presence with style. Step 4, Step 5, Step 6, Step 7, Step 8. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's description.